Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking essentials. Make sure the game version matches the server, patch 1, 14 for compatibility, and that you have your account and 2FA ready. Next, open Discord and set up the search bot or port scanner. These tools let you spot active merchant servers fast. Once done, join regional lobbies to listen for dealer chatter and save any invite codes you find. This first push gets you into the discovery loop quickly and reduces wasted attempts. You now track the dealer by narrowing focus. Subscribe to trading channels and set keyword alerts for legendary swords, specific stats, and price ranges like $100, $500. Then use the search bot filters to isolate posts from repeat seller ID and time windows when trades occur most. Meanwhile, verify candidate servers by checking player counts, trade history, and uptime, because a stable server means reliable deals. Once you have 2-3 strong leads, plan targeted joins and prepare negotiation templates. You finish by joining the chosen server during peak activity to confirm the dealer and inspect the sword. Ask for close-up screenshots, timestamps, and proof of stats. Once verified, use escrow or a trusted middleman to complete payments safely. Explain terms clearly and get a final confirmation message. If the seller disappears or the item is falsified, document chat and screenshots immediately, notify moderators, and move to an alternative verified server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.